Hi everyone. We'll be doing a very interesting question. So first let us comprehend it properly. We have a cyclist starting from point A and travel towards point B at a speed of something. At the same time, another cyclist starts from point B towards point A, so in opposite direction to the first one, traveling at a speed of also given. After meeting, the first cyclist takes 4 hours longer than the second cyclist to reach his destination. So what does it mean is after they have met, the first cyclist takes 4 hours more than the second cyclist to reach the destination. Now, this is where the diagram would help you to understand this question better. So let me just draw a rough diagram to begin with. Let us say this is point A, this is point B. Also, let us consider that they meet at this point. Doesn't matter. Just a rough diagram here to visually understand this. So this is cyclist 1, this is cyclist 2. Now, first thing what we should understand is that both are starting at the same time and they are meeting at this point. So meaning that they have reached this point, both of them at the same time, implying the distance that this cyclist covers and this cyclist covers is happening in the same time. So these two times should be equal. We also know that cyclist 1 travels with a speed of 20 km per hour and cyclist 2 with a speed of 30 km per hour. That these two speeds are known to us, right? Now, beyond this, what is happening is cyclist 1 takes 4 hours more than cyclist 2. So we have a relationship between this time and this time. This time being 4 hours more than this time. This is very easy to understand. That is what has been mentioned. And we're looking for the distance between the 2 points. We'll come back to that. Now, what are the important thing out here? So first thing, what you should be able to understand is this is traveled at a speed of 20 km per hour and this is traveled with a speed of 30 km per hour. So if I look at this segment, the first cyclist and the second cyclist have covered the same segment with a speed ratio of 2:3. So the time ratio should be 3:2 between these two segments. I mean, for this segment between the two cyclists. And same thing here, the time ratio should be 3:2. I mean, 3 parts for this, 2 parts for this, because again, the speed is as is, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to assume that the time for this segment is 60. Now, why am I doing that? Because whatever is the time here would be the time here. Remember, they started at the same time and reached this point at the same time. So whatever time cyclist 2 took to cover this segment, cyclist 1 took the same time to cover this segment. Now, why 60? You may take just t, it is fine, but I'm trying to avoid fractions along with variables. So I know that I have to make it 3/2 times to get this time and 2/3 times to make it this time. So I need to divide this time once by 2 and once by 3. So essentially I'm taking 6t. Now the time here would be, as I said, 3/2 times of 60. So that would be 90 or something. And in this case, it would be 6/2t, 2/3. So that would be 4t. Now what do we know? 90 is basically 4t plus 4. That's it. Because this time should be 4 hours more than this time, as it says after the meeting. So just solve this, you get 5t is equal to 4 or t is equal to 4/5 hours. And as soon as you get that, you can figure out the answer. So we have what is the question looking for? The distance between the 2 points. So take the easier one. I mean, either one will work in this case, I guess. This one, the total time is 60 plus 40. So that is 10t. So cyclist 2 takes 10t amount of time to reach this point A. And that is 4/5 is t. So you substitute, you get 8 hours. And remember, the cyclist 2 was traveling with the speed of 30 km per hour. So the distance will be 30 into 8. That is 240 kilometers. So an interesting problem. If you map it easily, in visual format, you can solve the question easily. So I hope this was understood. If you have any queries regarding this problem or any other variations that you're worried about of this type, then please leave a comment below and we'll try to take that up in future videos. Thank you for joining. Have a good preparation ahead. If you haven't yet checked the full playlist containing this video, then check the description for the direct link. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our daily questions, tutorials, and problem-solving sessions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss an update. In addition to our daily questions, we also offer comprehensive preparation for CAT and other management entrance tests. If you're looking to excel in these exams, we highly recommend checking out these courses in our website. To get a taste of what our courses have to offer, we invite you to take a free demo. The demo will give you a glimpse into the quality and effectiveness of our teaching methods, study materials, and practice resources. You can find the relevant links in the description of this video. Have a nice and successful preparation ahead. See you in the next one.